BMW builds the ultimate driving machine. But did you know that roughly 70% of BMW owners never touch their most advanced driving modes? We are not just talking about hidden menus. We are talking about core hardware features that drivers misunderstand every single day. From a climate dial that causes thousands of unnecessary service visits to a traction system that actually works better when you turn it off in the snow. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into 11 of the most commonly misused BMW features that 99% of drivers get wrong. I will also guide you step by step on how to use them like a pro, so you can extend your car's lifespan and improve its performance. Let's get started with one of the most commonly misunderstood features. Feature number 11, using auto start-stop non-stop. BMW's auto start-stop system is engineered to reduce fuel consumption and emissions, especially in urban environments. But most drivers either overuse it or disable it completely without understanding its impact. Studies show that in ideal conditions, this system can improve fuel economy by around 3 to 8%. But in real-world heavy traffic, the benefit often drops closer to 2 to 4%, while mechanical wear increases. Every engine restart puts stress on the starter motor, battery, and even internal engine components, particularly in hot climates where engine oil thins out faster. In cities with frequent stop-and-go traffic, this repeated cycling can reduce battery life by up to 15 to 20% over time. Many drivers assume BMW over-engineered this system for all conditions, but in reality, it is optimized for moderate, predictable stops, not chaotic traffic jams. The correct way to use it is strategically. Disable it in bumper-to-bumper traffic, extreme temperatures, or when your battery is aging. By doing this, you balance fuel savings with component longevity. Feature number 10, climate stratification dial. The stratification dial is arguably the most misunderstood ergonomic feature in BMW's history, often leading owners to believe their HVAC system is malfunctioning. Unlike the main temperature controls, which set the target for the entire cabin, this thumb wheel, or digital slider in newer iDrive versions, specifically adjusts the air temperature of the center and side vents relative to the rest of the car. When drivers leave this dial in the red zone during summer, they are fighting the air conditioning's ability to cool the cabin quickly, often resulting in unnecessary service visits. Proper usage involves setting your cabin temperature to a comfortable 22 degrees Celsius and then using the stratification dial as a fine-tuner for personal comfort. But sliding it to the blue during the first 10 minutes of a drive can increase perceived cooling by nearly 30%. Feature number 9, driving modes. BMW's driving modes, like Eco Pro, Comfort, and Sport, are not just gimmicks. They fundamentally alter how your car behaves, yet most drivers treat them like a novelty switch. Eco Pro mode can improve your fuel efficiency by up to 10 to 15% on highways, but overusing it in city driving can delay acceleration when you need it most, increasing risk during overtaking. On the other hand, Sport mode sharpens throttle response and keeps RPMs higher, which can increase fuel consumption by as much as 20 to 30% and accelerate wear on engine mounts, transmission components, and even tires. On the other hand, Comfort mode is designed as the balance point, yet many drivers ignore it completely. The correct strategy is situational awareness. Eco Pro for long, steady driving, Comfort for daily use, and Sport only when performance is necessary. Using them intelligently can extend engine life and reduce long-term maintenance costs significantly. Feature number 8, the OZS electronic oil condition sensor. The removal of the physical dipstick in BMW engines was a controversial move, yet the oil condition sensor that replaced it is a marvel of chemical engineering when used correctly. This sensor uses two capacitors to measure the dielectric properties of the oil, which allows it to determine not just the quantity, but the actual quality and contamination levels of the lubricant. The most common mistake owners make is attempting to check their oil while the engine is cold or immediately after a short trip, which yields a static or inaccurate reading. For a true measurement, the engine must be at operating temperature, the vehicle must be on level ground, and it usually requires at least 20 minutes of continuous driving for the dynamic level to update. Drivers often panic when they see a half-full bar on the iDrive screen and add multiple quarts of oil. Overfilling a modern BMW engine can cause excessive crankcase pressure, which may lead to catastrophic failure of the front and rear main seals, resulting in thousands of dollars in repairs. Feature number 7. Electronic parking brake. The electronic parking brake in BMW vehicles is a modern convenience, but misusing it can quietly damage your transmission over time. Many drivers shift directly into park without engaging the parking brake first, which forces the transmission's parking pawl to bear the entire weight of the vehicle. Over time, this creates stress inside the gearbox, leading to that noticeable clunk or resistance when shifting out of park. Transmission repairs in luxury vehicles can cost thousands of dollars, and this simple habit is one of the leading contributors to premature wear. Studies in automatic transmission systems show that improper parking habits can reduce transmission lifespan by up to 25%. The correct method is to stop the vehicle fully, engage the parking brake, and then shift into park, allowing the brake system to hold the load instead of the gearbox. This distributes stress properly and keeps internal components in better condition. It's a small change in habit, but one that has a massive impact on long-term reliability and repair costs. Feature number 5. Remote engine start. Remote engine start is one of the most appreciated luxury features, especially in extreme weather, but it is often used incorrectly. Many drivers believe that letting the engine idle for long periods is necessary to warm it up, but modern engines, including those in BMW vehicles, are designed to warm up more efficiently while driving. Idling for more than 60 seconds not only wastes fuel, but also leads to incomplete combustion, which can cause carbon buildup inside the engine. Studies show that excessive idling can increase engine deposits by up to 30% over time, reducing efficiency and performance. The correct approach is to start the engine, wait about 30 to 60 seconds for oil circulation, and then drive gently until it reaches optimal temperature. This method reduces wear, improves efficiency, and minimizes carbon buildup. Understanding this simple principle can significantly extend engine life and maintain performance. Feature number 4. Keyless entry. BMW's Comfort Access system offers unmatched convenience, but many drivers overlook its potential risks and inefficiencies. One of the biggest threats associated with keyless entry is relay attacks, where thieves amplify the signal from your key to unlock and start the vehicle. Reports indicate that keyless entry systems are involved in over 50% of modern car thefts in some regions. Additionally, constantly triggering the system by walking near the car multiple times a day can lead to unnecessary battery drain. The correct approach is to store your key away from entry points like doors and windows, ideally in a signal-blocking pouch. While the feature is designed for convenience, but using it without awareness can turn it into a vulnerability. Smart usage ensures both security and efficiency, protecting your vehicle from avoidable risks. Feature number 3. Hill Start Assist. BMW's Hill Start Assist is designed to hold your car for a few seconds on an incline, preventing rollback. But many drivers rely on it too heavily and lose proper control techniques. The system typically holds braking pressure for about 2 to 3 seconds, which is enough for smooth takeoff. Yet drivers often delay throttle input, causing unnecessary strain on the transmission and clutch. Over time, improper use can lead to increased clutch wear by up to 10 to 15% in hilly driving conditions. In automatic BMWs, hesitation during release can create jerky starts, affecting drivetrain smoothness. The correct way is to treat Hill Assist as a backup, not a replacement. Apply throttle smoothly and take control immediately. Skilled drivers use it as support, not dependence. When used correctly, it improves safety and smoothness, but misuse turns it into a bad driving habit that affects long-term drivability. Feature number 2. Resting your foot on the brake pedal. This is one of the most common habits drivers don't even realize they have, and it silently destroys your braking system over time. Resting your foot lightly on the brake pedal, even without fully pressing it, creates slight friction between the brake pads and rotors. That constant contact generates heat, and heat is the #1 enemy of braking components. Studies show that even light brake drag can increase pad wear by up to 20%, which lead to warping over time. In BMW vehicles, which are designed for precise braking performance, this habit also reduces efficiency and responsiveness when you actually need to stop quickly. Another hidden danger is that your brake lights stay on, confusing drivers behind you and increasing the risk of rear-end collisions. The correct way is simple. Always keep your foot completely off the brake unless you intend to slow down. Use proper pedal discipline and maintain a clear separation between acceleration and braking. This small adjustment can extend brake life, improve fuel efficiency, and maintain the sharp braking feel BMW is known for. Feature number 1. Shutting the engine off immediately after hard driving. Modern BMW engines, especially turbocharged ones, deliver incredible performance, but they also generate extreme heat under hard driving conditions. After aggressive acceleration, high-speed driving, or long uphill climbs, the turbocharger can reach temperatures exceeding 800 degrees Celsius. Shutting the engine off immediately after such driving stops oil circulation instantly, leaving hot components without proper cooling. This causes oil to cook inside the turbo, forming carbon deposits that restrict lubrication over time. Many drivers assume modern engineering eliminates this risk, but physics still applies. Heat needs time to dissipate. The correct approach is to let the engine idle for about 30 to 90 seconds after hard driving, allowing oil to circulate and cool down critical components. This simple habit protects the turbocharger, maintains engine efficiency, and prevents costly repairs. Now you are starting to see the bigger picture. BMW doesn't just give you features, it gives you control. But if you use that control the wrong way, even the best engineering in the world can't save you from wear, inefficiency, and costly repairs. If you want more deep car secrets like this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the feature you've been using wrong.